Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week so far. And welcome to this new video on Sui. Wanted to do a full update here. Is one of the strongest cryptos over the course of today, which isn't saying a lot. All right, it's today has still been relatively bearish. Some coins are pumping. Like Injective yesterday was quite strong. Starknet was quite strong, and Sui has been quite strong. But I do think there's potential. Earlier this morning we had some nice momentum, which you can see right here on the 1 hour time frame. There is momentum coming in right here, at least until 2 hours ago. Since then it's been some shorts coming in as well, which is not great, but in general those are enough reasons to believe why Sui has potential. So I wanted to talk about that, wanted to talk about what's possible, what to expect, what are the trade opportunities, etc. All right, so that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. So the main reason why Sui came to my attention is I actually do think that over the last couple of days, it's been quite interesting. Like Sui, even though the market has been relatively weak, right? So if you look at Bitcoin has basically been respecting its bearish momentum here quite a lot, right? So Bitcoin is bearish here, and most altcoins are following that, and Sui as well, all right? Sui is definitely not bullish here, but in that period of time, Sui was able to at least find some sort of a bottom right here, and that's what you can see here, right? So you can see that we were making lower lows right here, and the market was very bearish, but then we got some bullish momentum, and in general we managed to get some sort of a reclaim above 80 cents, above 78 cents here, and we turned a little bit more bullish. It's very fragile, right? But there is at least technically some bullish momentum here, and Sui, and that was yesterday already the case, but that's also the case over the course of this morning, is one of the strongest performers and is a bit uncorrelated to the markets, right? You can see like all of these lines are different cryptos. Most of them are moving together. Sui earlier this morning was quite bullish, but in general it's moving kind of on its own, and that's interesting. Now, the one thing, and like I said, it has momentum as well. So in normal market circumstances, I would be bullish on this. And I would say, all right, well, the main resistance level right now is around 84, 85 cents. But I do think if you look at the technical bullish indications and the momentum, I do think we'll be able to break above this and at least rally back up to 90 and 92 cents. That's what I would say in normal market circumstances. Now, unfortunately, I don't, well, I mean, the market circumstances, the market is the market, right? So the market is always normal. But in this case, I do think the bearish momentum from Bitcoin is holding back Sui. So can Sui pump? Yes, but we do need some sort of a bounce from Bitcoin. All right, so for now, I don't think Sui is interesting. I think Sui can hold this level, and I think Sui will keep its potential. But if Bitcoin doesn't at least give some bullish momentum, we'll never break out above 84 and 85 cents. And that is what we need. All right, we need to get that breakout to not only stop the downtrend, because that's what we've done so far, but also to kind of start some sort of an uptrend so that we can capitalize on that. So yeah, that's so what would I expect for now? For now, I would say it's most likely that we'll consolidate down here. All right, that's what I think is most likely. That's what I think you should expect. And if Bitcoin starts to crash below 56,000, we might even drop down towards that 70 cents level. So that's what I think is most likely. But what I do think you need to be prepared for is that if for some reason, for example, the unemployment data today, if for some reason Bitcoin is able to get some sort of a reclaim above 58,000, then Sui is one of the altcoins that has most potential. And that's why I wanted to make a video on that. And that's, I think, the main thing you need to remember. Because, yeah, that's what I think you need to know, right? So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.